and welcome to New This Week on artistloud.com, the sound of independence. और आज मेरे साथ इस शो पर हैं the winner of first ever Amul Star Voice of India, Chote Ustad. That's not all. She's also the recipient of the awards like Shahu Modak Award, Power 100 and Sangeet Ratnam. She's the youngest ever singer to be invited by Indian community in New York to sing national anthems on the India Day Parade. Please welcome the very talented, the very beautiful, the princess of music and masti, Aishwarya Majmudar. Welcome to the show, Aishwarya.
Thank you.
You're all of 18, right?
Yes.
And you have achieved so much in this short span of life. How do you feel? Like top of the world?
I feel happy. I feel quite exhilarated.
Yeah?
And every time anybody asks me this question, I'm all set to answer that my happiness is boundless. I mean, you can't measure it, so it's too much.
Okay, tell me honestly. You've done so much in a very short span of time.
Yes.
You had normal childhood, or did you miss out on something?
No, I did. I have had a very fun childhood. I
Yeah.
think my parents were the most liberal and most...
उन्होंने तुम्हें जो चाहा तुम्हें वो
जो
करने
चाहा
दिया.
मुझे करने दिया. If I want to paint on the walls, I've painted on the walls. And a kind of a rule in my house was कि हर शाम को 2 घंटे बाहर खेलने जाना है. Exam हो कि exam ना हो. So that I think played a really, really important role in whatever I am today.
Wow, that's so sweet.
So yeah, I'm an outdoor person. I love to do new things, and definitely my childhood had been more of filled with music, of course, because it was all about music. My mom, dad, dadi, everybody's learnt music. Everybody sings.
Wow.
They don't sing professionally, but they used to sing so much that eventually I decided that yes, if I want to do something in life.
At what age did you decide that you will be a singer?
I never decided I'll be a singer. Everything about being a singer happened after Chote Ustad. That was when I was 14. And I used to sing since I was 3 years old. So I have a picture of me, which is I'm wearing a cute little white frock and I'm holding a mic. Actually, किसी की wedding anniversary थी, and I decided कि सब लोग यहाँ पे गा रहे हैं, मैं भी गाऊंगी. So I just went up on stage and I started singing a song which my Dadaji used to sing.
Which song
for me.
was that?
Super old song. It's called Soja Rajkumari Soja.
क्या बात है. They say that music is one of the best educations you can have in life.
Yes,
and very few are
absolutely.
gifted to receive this kind of an education.
Yeah.
And you're one of those lucky ones.
Yes.
But where did this title come from, Princess of Music and Masti?
This is by my dad. After I became Chote Ustad, हम लोगों ने decide करना था कि हमारा जो मेरा जो banner रहेगा. What is Aishwarya? So she's a princess because I'm my daddy's princess.
Okay.
And she's a princess of what? तो क्या है? तो first thing, princess of music. Secondly, princess of masti because मैं बहुत ही मस्ती खोर हूँ. I'm a very
मस्ती खोर. अभी show पे और बहुत मस्ती होने वाली है, हम देखेंगे. Okay. But tell me, who do you idolize?
To be honest, I don't really idolize some person or a personality. It's basically the kind of ideas, the kind of positivity, the kind of thoughts that
inspire you?
Inspire me. And I actually idolize Amitabh Bachchan's passion for work.
Right.
It's the way, I mean, I remember shooting with him for Chote Ustad for a promotion. And he's the most down-to-earth person. Secondly, on the shoot, ऐसा बहुत बार होता है रियलिटी शोज में कि कपड़े कभी साइज के नहीं होते. तो मेरी जिंदगी में भी ऐसा कभी हुआ था. एंड आई वाज गिवन अ शर्ट. इट वाज लाइक अ मेन इन ब्लैक कॉस्ट्यूम. सो मुझे शर्ट दिया था और शर्ट इट वाज अ वाइट शर्ट, ब्लैक टाई, जैकेट, ग्लेयर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड मेरा जो शर्ट था वो बड़ा था, करीब 3-4 साइजेस बड़ा था.
3-4 साइज.
हाँ, तो कुछ करके मुझे पहना दिया. एंड then came the moment कि जब हम लोग सेट पे गए तो पहली बात कि he comes inside and he introduces himself as hi, I'm Amitabh Bachchan. पर मैं भी छोटी थी तो मैंने बोला I am also Aishwarya. And फिर उन्होंने मुझे तुरंत देख के थोड़ा एनालाइज करके मुझे कहा कि तुमने मेरी शर्ट तो नहीं पहन ली. So उन्होंने खुद ने बोला कि आप अपनी जैकेट उतारो, मैं शर्ट ठीक से पहनाऊंगा. एंड ही सेट माई शर्ट, माई टाई, ही डिड माई टाई अगेन एंड ही मेड मी वेयर माई जैकेट अगेन. एंड इट वाज द मोस्ट humongous moment of my whole life.
Wow. Next time I cross, Amitabh Bachchan's bungalow, I'm going to be like wearing oversized kurta or something like that. But okay, tell me something. Which all languages do you sing in?
English, Hindi. I'm a Gujarati, so Gujarati.
Yeah, Gujarati.
I sing in Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Bengali, Sindhi, Punjabi. 10 तो हो गए?
10 जबरदस्त.
Yes.
क्या बात है?
और उसके साथ-साथ I just have won an award. मुझे गुजराती में Best Playback Singer Female का award मिला है.
So will you sing a Gujarati song for us?
Yes, I definitely will. और ऐसा वैसा गुजराती गाना नहीं गाऊंगी. I'm going to sing a song which is Gujarati independent music's first ever rock song.
Wow. So let's have a look at Aishwarya's first performance here, जो कि गुजराती song. क्या बात है?
सोल वर्षनी fixed deposit ब्याज गયું છે વધી 16 વર્ષની fixed deposit ब्याज गયું છે વધી શોધો કોઈ ક્રેઝી દરિયો શોધો કોઈ ક્રેઝી દરિયો ઘેરી થઈ છે નદી નિરાળી હું છું નિરાળી હું છું નિરાળી હું છું That's gotta be me.
That was a great performance, and if I'm not wrong, this is the same song that got released with artistloud.com. Your first ever song,
First ever
right?
song to be released,
And you were also awarded by the governor of Gujarat for this song, right?
Yes, I was.
Wow. You know what? We're going to talk more about your association with artistloud.com after the break. क्योंकि आपने गुजराती में गाना गाया ना, मेरा भी जरा मन कर गया. इतनी मिठास भरी भाषा है ये.
क्या बात
तो क्यों ना मैं भी गुजराती में जरा एक ब्रेक लिंक दूं. मुझे कुछ सिखाएंगी आप?
ऐश्वर्या સાથે વાતો ચાલુ છે.
हाँ.
અને અમે જલ્દીથી પાછા આવીએ છીએ આ બ્રેક પછી.
Same to same. See you after the break. Tell me something.
नहीं नहीं, अब क्या है कि बहुत हो गया. You're asking me too many questions.
Brave Knights. As you can clearly see from this attractive graph, our sales have increased by...
Sorry, my king.
Honestly.
Our sales have increased by 20%.
What is this magical device I see before me?
It's an Ultrabook. Well, he signed the purchase order.
When you open an Ultrabook, everything else seems old-fashioned. Introducing the ultra-sleek, ultra-responsive Ultrabook. A whole new class of computers powered by Intel.
Aishwarya સાથે વાતો ચાલુ છે. Welcome back to New This Week after the break. Was that right?
Absolutely right.
गुजराती सीख ली मैंने. Tell me something.
नहीं नहीं, अब क्या है कि बहुत हो गया. You're asking me too many questions. And for your info, मैं अपना एक खुद का टॉक शो चलाती हूँ गुजरात में. तो अब मैं तुम्हें क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाली हूँ. चलो.
आप मुझे क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे on my show.
I take your audition. चलो sing.
हैं?
गाओ गाओ.
Okay, I'm going to be a sport. What's your favorite song?
गुलाबी आँखें.
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी।
इतना रो के मत गाओ, खुशी खुशी गाओ।
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी,
होने लगे।
शराबे दिल हो गया। संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो, संभलना मुश्किल। तालियां तालियां तालियां।
Too good, too good.
I know, I
You
know,
know
I
what?
know.
You should sing. तुम अपना ये चैट शो वगैरह छोड़ दो, तुम गाने लगो।
मैं गाता हूँ यार।
तुम्हारे कौन से एल्बम्स अभी तक बाहर आए हैं?
मेरे पास 4 एल्बम्स आई हैं। एक मेरी वेडिंग एल्बम है, एक मेरी बर्थडे एल्बम है, एक मेरी ग्रेजुएशन एल्बम है और चौथी मैं निकालने वाला हूँ।
अपने वेडिंग में अपने आप नहीं गाना चाहिए।
मैंने गाया नहीं है, वो फोटो एल्बम है।
मैं गाने की बात कर रही हूँ।
I just haven't realized that I can be a great singer.
You should। अभी मैं तुम्हें बता रही हूँ।
आप मुझे ब्रेक दे रही हैं?
टेक आउट एन एल्बम। मैं तुम्हें ब्रेक दे रही हूँ अभी।
क्या आप मुझे?
मैं तुम्हें कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करके दे दूंगी 3 साल का। तुम कहाँ से कहाँ चले जाओगे?
नहीं जाना है मुझे कहीं, मुझे यहीं रहना है।
नहीं?
अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताओ। You've received so many awards at such young age, and if I'm not wrong, your association with artistloud.com goes back from the days of inception.
Yes.
You were one of the first
artist.
30 artists, you know, with which the artistloud.com started, and that's not all. आपने जो अपना पहला album था वो artistloud.com के साथ release किया.
Yes.
Wow, I think it was 2 years ago, right?
It was 2 years ago.
2 years ago. So how has life changed ever since, and what was that first experience with artistloud.com?
Well, I think I just love artistaloud.com because it is a super platform for music for anybody. It doesn't have to be only a singer. It could be anything to do with music. And I think I'm really happy to be associated with artistaloud.com, and that too for such a long time. And I literally remember when I used to send the link of my albums on artistaloud.com to my friends, I used to get this review that super, we love the website. I mean,
and more importantly, you're placed amongst the kind of artists, you know,
yes,
who are in a different league altogether.
Exactly. So it takes you kind of a couple of steps ahead in your life. It's like a huge jump.
Wow. आपका गाना रिलीज किया गया ये गुजराती, उस समय आपको कैसा लगा कि were you at the top of the world?
Yes, it was a very great thing in my life. Or music composer for that album was Monty Sharma ji.
Yeah, I know.
And it was a great experience working with him. He's the most fun person to be with. And the greatest thing was that my album had 3 songs. The album was called Sapna Sathe for Artist Aloud. And Sapna Sathe was basically, it means कि सपनों के संग.
सपनों के,
So
अब इतना तो मैं समझ गया हूँ.
all my dreams, हाँ अभी आप गुजराती सीखना शुरू किया है आपने. तो सपना साथे meant with all the dreams I have in my life.
Yeah.
और ऐसा गाना भी है. So we've tried using different elements of music in these songs, keeping a Gujju flavor intact.
Gujju flavor. What do you mean by Gujju flavor?
Gujju flavor मतलब remix Gujju.
अच्छा remix Gujju. That's what I thought about Gujju flavor. Yeah.
Gujju flavor doesn't end there.
Okay. And if I'm not wrong, you've sung the same Gujju song
Yes.
in Hindi.
Yes. After 2 years, that is now.
Yeah.
After 2 years of releasing that song officially, I wanted कि एक ऐसा version भी हो इस गाने का जो इंडिया में हर कोई समझ पाए. I wanted everybody to know that there's good music.
Yeah, there's good music.
Yeah, that I can make.
Oh, of course you can make. So वो तो हमने अभी देख लिया है. लेकिन क्यों ना हम ये जो गाना है उसे हिंदी में भी सुने?
ज़रूर सुनाऊंगी. And it doesn't mean the same thing.
Okay.
But it means a lot about a personality. A friend of mine, Jainesh, has written that for me.
Yeah.
So it's like a kind of a gift for me. मैंने बोला कि ये गाना है और गुजराती में है, लेकिन मैं इसे जहाँ पे भी जाती हूँ अपने शोज में परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाती because गुजराती में.
गुजराती में.
तो उसने बोला हाँ ठीक है चलो कुछ देखते हैं. And then after a couple of days he comes up to me and ये देखो ये इस ट्यून में तुम गाओ.
ये बनाया
और मैंने गाया. And it was just perfect.
And what is it called now?
It's now called आसमां से.
आसमां से.
Yes.
तो चलिए हम तैयार हैं ऐश्वर्या का ये अगला गाना सुनने के लिए, आसमां से.
आसमां से उतरा हो जो
2.5 किलो नहीं सिली। तो हाँ, एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू।
Brave Knights. As you can clearly see from this attractive graph, our sales have increased by...
Sorry, Mikey.
Honestly.
Our sales have increased by 20%.
What is this magical device I see before me?
It's an Ultrabook. Well, he signed the purchase order.
When you open an Ultrabook, everything else seems old-fashioned. Introducing the ultra-sleek, ultra-responsive Ultrabook. A whole new class of computers powered by Intel.
अभिनंदन 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 आओ मारो वीर योद्धा।
तेरा मेरा सखी सैयरी सा दिनक दिनक दिन ताका दिनक 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 दिन ताका आजा माही तू आजा मेरे दिल जानी तू है राजा तो आजा मैं हूँ तेरी रानी।
हे झनक झनक झनकार, हे झनक 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 झन झन झनक झनक झनकार।
Welcome back after the break, and I have with me the very talented, the very beautiful, and as she calls her, मस्ती खोर ऐश्वर्या मजमूदार।
Yes.
भाई आप बड़ी मस्ती करती हैं,
जी।
तो हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना हम भी अपने शो पे आपके साथ थोड़ी सी मस्ती करें।
Definitely
तो और मुझे ये भी पता लगा है कि आप किसी भी ट्यून पे गा देती हैं, किसी भी गाने को किसी भी ट्यून पे गा सकती हैं। तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना आपके साथ एक टंग ट्विस्टर खेला जाए। Okay, so here we go.
Yeah.
If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. If you understand and don't understand, then how would I understand that you understand?
कि मुझे अंडरस्टैंड करना था कि ये मुझे बोलना है।
ये आपको गाना है।
If you understand, then say understand. If you don't understand, then say don't understand. But if you understand, then say don't understand. How do I know that you understand what?
Da-da-da. Wow, wow, that was amazing.
That was not.
That was amazing. That was genuinely amazing. Okay, अब हिंदी में. Okay, ready?
हाँ.
लपक बकुलिया लपक, अब ना लपक बू तो लपक भी कब?
एक और बार.
लपक बकुलिया लपक.
लपक बकुलिया लपक.
अब ना लपक
बू
तो लपक
भी कब? हाँ, समझ गई. इसको थोड़ी हम रिदम देंगे।
रिदम देंगे।
बिहारी रिदम देंगे हम इसको। चिकता 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 दिन 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 चिकता चिकता वैसे थोड़ा गुज्जू भी हो गया।
मैं वो देख रहा हूँ वो फ्लेवर कहाँ जा रहा है।
ये अपना रिदम है, ठीक है? उसमें लपक बकुलिया लपक और क्या?
लपक बकुलिया लपक।
लपक बकुलिया लपक। अब ना लपक बू तो
लपक भी कब?
लपक भी कब? ठन लपक भी कब? धा
छूट की ट्रेन बेचारे की।
नहीं उसने पकड़ भी ली और उस पे जाके उसने गाया।
अच्छा चलो, I'll come back to the गुज्जू थिंग ओनली। आप मुझे 15 मिठाइयों के नाम गिनवाएंगी बिना रुके।
मैं मीठा खाती नहीं हूँ।
कोई बात नहीं, बट अभी बड़ा गुज्जू गुज्जू चल रहा था। I'll make it simple for you. 10
बिना रुके।
बिना रुके।
काजू कतरी, चॉकलेट बर्फी, मोहन थाल। एक मिनट। हाँ, खाजा गड़िया खाजा।
खाजा खूजा नहीं, पिछों दी आजा। नंबर 1 फिर से।
नहीं।
The last chance.
नहीं, मैं जीती गई हूँ।
क्यों?
मैं कभी हारती नहीं।
Now I know why people don't argue with women. But you know, let's talk about your thing. Now you're a very popular celebrity. People take your. But do you remember the first time somebody took your autograph?
Yes, I do. The first time somebody took my autograph was when I was 12.
Wow, you remember? Huh?
Yes, I do.
Who was that? Was that your friend or somebody you met randomly?
No, I used to do solo concerts even before Chote Ustad happened.
Oh, really?
So
wow.
Yes. So I've been singing for a very long time. And one of my shows in Nagpur, there was this bunch of children which came up on the stage.
Yeah,
right
bunch of children. मैं 12 साल की थी. Bunch of children came. Very nice.
12 साल की थी तब मैंने नहीं बोला था कि bunch of children came. 18 साल की होके बोल रही हूँ bunch of children came.
Okay.
The children came और everybody was asking for my autograph. तब मैं पहले समझ ही नहीं पाई कि ये लोग मुझसे से बात कर रहे हैं because I didn't expect कि कोई
पीछे देखने लगे.
I didn't expect कि कोई मुझसे कहेगा कि autograph लेना है. वो भी मुझसे कहेगा. तो मैंने बोला कि ठीक है दे देते हैं. फिर मैंने लिखना शुरू किया तो मुझे पता नहीं कि मैं ऑटोग्राफ दूंगी तो कैसे दूंगी. मैं लिखूंगी तो अपना नाम कैसे लिखूं, कुछ अलग करके लिखती हूँ. तब से मैं जो अपना
अमिताभ बच्चन लिख देती हूँ. अलग करना था कुछ,
अलग करके लिखना है, अलग फॉन्ट में लिखना है।
ओके ओके ओके।
तो मैंने उसे अपना एक नया ही फॉन्ट बना दिया जिसमें कुछ समझ में नहीं आता और वो बन गया मेरा ऑटोग्राफ और उसके नीचे मैंने डेट लगा दी। That was my first ever autograph.
Wow. So what's your also take on the independent music?
Independent music is something that I love to do,
Yeah.
and that's why I really love it.
I think
I love people who can make independent music. I think it's a little, it's like an open sky, and you're a cloud, and you can roam around wherever you want.
But don't you want to also sing for the popular Hindi music scene? You know, you want to be a part of it.
Well, you
do you
definitely
see that
want
as a
to.
different mediums altogether?
I definitely do see them as two absolutely different mediums because when it comes to popular Hindi music, which we popularly call Bollywood, it's very different. You have a story which you're following.
Yeah.
Definitely, even when it comes to independent
Yeah.
music, you're following the story of your song.
Yeah.
But it's the story of your song, not the story of a movie. So you're following not a character, you're following yourself.
Yeah.
So I think you yourself get a chance to build your own character for
Yeah.
the song,
Yeah.
and eventually everybody relates to you as the character,
Yeah.
and not the face on screen.
Wow. Well, you know, talking about independent music, if I'm not wrong, you've also sung in English, as you were telling कि आप इतनी भाषाओं में गाती है. तो please क्या आप हमारे लिए English में गाएंगी?
एक English गाना मैं आपको सुनाऊंगी,
English?
which is also my first ever single.
We're all set to hear her English number, which is
How I Love to Shine. I'm gonna shine.
I'm Gonna Shine.
The talent, the music, the passion. Is it a crime to want to shine? क्या ये मेरा कसूर है? जोश है मुझ में जुनून है. कोई कहे मशहूर है, कोई कहता मगरूर है. कोरे जो मुझको जले ऐसी मैं हूँ. Is it a crime, baby, to wanna shine, baby? Don't draw a line, baby. The world is mine, baby. No time to rest, honey, or mess with destiny. Just wanna sing the song that turns you on. I sing, I mesmerize. Deep da na 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 dere na dere na deep da na dere na dere na dere na deep da na dere na करूँ अपनी मनानी काटा मांगे ना पानी नशा करे जो मेरा हर घड़ी कातिल मेरी अदा है सजा में भी मजा है बन जाऊं किसी की जो हद कड़ी खुली किताब मेरी जिंदगी पढ़ने को बेकरार है हर कोई. Is it a crime, baby, to wanna shine, baby? Don't draw a line, baby. The world is mine, baby. No time to rest, honey, or mess with destiny. Just wanna sing the song that turns you on. Sagaba, sagaba, dimada, 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 kapani, kapani, madasa, madasa, pani, re baba. Mare sani da mama, mare sani da mama. Gama gama mama maga, mama mada pada mama, pada bani da ba, dani da sani da, da sani ni re sa da sani ni re sa ga re baba ga re sani da mama pada ni da 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 re re re
Wow, that was amazing. And you know what? What was so special about that song? English lyrics. लेकिन आप गा नहीं रही थी, आप साथ में act भी कर रही थी. So do you want to be an actress? Be honest.
I do. I do, but I don't want to be an actress. I don't mind those tiny cameo kind of roles.
Really?
Yes.
I thought, you know, girls want to be like the biggest superstars, the biggest movie
I want
superstars.
to be the biggest music superstar.
Music superstar.
Yeah.
Okay, so who do you admire? आपको सबसे अच्छी कौन लगती है?
मैं.
खुद ही, मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
मैं
So if I
अपनी
give you a
favorite
dialogue, would you be able to do it?
Of course.
हैं? Okay, चलिए बोलिए 2.5 किलो का हाथ जब किसी पे पड़ता है ना तो आदमी उठता नहीं, उठ जाता।
अगर मेरा हाथ ही 2.5 किलो का है तो मेरा ओवरऑल वेट कितना होगा, ये कभी एनालाइज किया है?
अरे अगर मैंने एनालाइज किया होता, इतना पढ़ा लिखा होता तो मैं यहाँ बैठा होता। बातें घुमाने में बहुत तेज है मैं। हाँ
ये 2.5 किलो नहीं सिली, तो हाँ मैं एक और डायलॉग है।
अच्छा चलो, जो आपका फेवरेट है।
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू।
1.25 रुपए का मिलता मलाड स्टेशन के बाहर।
आप लेके आओ,
कल भिजवा दूंगा मैं
लगा
आपको।
देना आपकी।
But that was fabulous. You know, you have that innate, quality of being an actress. So what is in store for you? You've achieved so much. You're 18 right now.
Yes.
And by the age of 18, you've achieved so much. Where are you heading? What's your future project?
जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है कि this is something like a real challenge to me is creating independent music.
Okay.
And my first ever single which I just sang for all of you is I'm Gonna Shine. And उसके साथ में I'm releasing a music video on it, and I'm trying to experiment with different styles of music. So if it has to have rock, it should definitely have a little element of classical. If the music is Western, the lyrics should have an Indian touch. So I'm trying to actually fuse two worlds, and I know it's a very difficult thing that I've taken in, and it's not something that might appeal to everybody immediately.
Okay.
But I'm quite confident it's going to work. And for example, one of my latest concepts for this particular song was that मुझे सरगम गानी थी, but I didn't want to sing the same palta style of sargams. Though after a lot of research, sitting with a lot of my friends, मेरे गुरुजी के साथ बैठ के, I decided that he also plays the violin. मेरे गुरुजी के पिताजी हैं, he plays the violin. So I sat with him and he helped me out with the alap कि तुम गाओ western alap लेकिन गाओ उसके सुरों में. So it goes like sagapa, sagapa. So the rhythm placing sagapa, sagapa, the rhythm placing is that of symphonies that you have.
Wow.
And it's a very different kind of a concept which I tried to bring in to this song. And the जो स्पीड में ताने गाई हैं, फिर एक जगह पे ऐसे गाया है कि गा मा गा पा मा पा मा गा आ, so that is कि जो हम लोग सुरों में गा रहे हैं बिल्कुल वही चीज़ कॉपी करके उसे आलाप में गानी है, आकार में गानी है. तो that is a very difficult thing to switch between.
You know, they say that God gives you all those things which you are capable of doing. You know, He gives you those shoulders, to take this kind of a thing. And I think God has blessed you with so much of talent.
God has blessed me with the world's best parents. That's all that I will
That's
say.
so sweet of you. But you know what? मैं तो यही दुआ करूँगा with the kind of positive energy you have, and there's this zeal to outperform your own self.
Yes,
Keep this alive, and एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि जब आपके नाम का ऐश्वर्य पूरे ब्रह्मांड में होगा. Thank you for being on the show. Pleasure.
Pleasure here. Same.
Well, that's all we have for you today, but I'm going to leave you on a high note with that beautiful song from Aishwarya. See you next week.